Richness of spirit is the true source of my good. I live in an abundant universe that is teeming with all manner of good. Yet, the ultimate source of my good is never a particular job, bank account, or person. Those are simply channels through which my prosperity might flow. When I focus on the channels rather than the source, I narrow my capacity to receive the flow of life's plentiful, diverse expressions. Instead, I look to spirit as one true source of my good and recognize that I have an endless inner supply. A consciousness of spirit is my constant supply. Centered in spirit, I feel no lack. I am continually inspired by the flow of prospering ideas. As I act on them, I enjoy the richness of spirit's universal storehouse. Perception and focus create reality. If I were to make a mental list of everything I don't have, the universe would align with my belief and show me a world where I always have less. Yet, when I choose to see everything in my life as a blessing, even though it may take time to find the gifts in some situations, the world becomes a place of endless generosity.